Hello friends, so in this video I am going to show you how we can create this detail bill. So in last video we created this, but now we want to display here detail bill. So we have to create this page. This already we give here link. So now I am going to save this demo page and we will create this page. Now I am going to refresh here and we can see right now we have this page, but first of all we have to change here title. Detail bills. So now here you can see we have this updated title and now we have to get all the details. So first of all we are going to get this ID. Now we have to collect all the details. Here we have to load data first of all for this header. So I am going to copy this table name. Then while loop. Now here we have to declare variable. So we need to display this all detail. So I am going to collect this all variable, full name, then bill type, then I need date, and then I need dollar bill number. Now here we need to fill this variable. Full name, then we need to take bill type, then I need to take date, and then I need to take bill number. So I collect this detail. Now we are going to display that here. So first of all I am going to give heading, that's fine. Now we are going to display these details. We are going to display in table format. First of all we are going to take bill number, we are going to check first we are getting these details or not. Okay, we are getting error because here we need to include our connection file. This is fine. Here you can see we got this bill number. Now we need to display full name. So here I am going to take another tr, full name, sorry, so now we have full name. Then we are going to display bill type, and then we are going to display bill date. Yeah, this is fine. Now you can see we have this all the details. Now we are going to display the details of item. So here I am going to take br. Now we need to take table, and then we are going to display from this table billing details. So for first of all we need to give heading. So here th, and I am going to take product company. This is only heading. Then I am going to take product name. Then product unit. Then packing size. Then price. Then quantity, and then I need total. Yeah, so we set here heading, and here we need to give class table and table bordered. So you can see it looks like this. Now we are going to fill the detail. So for that, here again I have to take loop, select query, select star from billing details, where bill underscore id is equal to $id, because in this table this billing headers id we use as a bill id here, that's why we use here bill id. Okay, so now here while $ is equal to mysqli underscore fetch array, then $res. Now I need to take tr. Now I need to take td, so I'm going to take here td. And now here we need to fill that detail. So here I am going to take product company. So we have this column product company. I am going to copy this column name here, then copy paste. Then we need product name, so I am going to copy this. Then product unit. Then packaging size. Then price. Then here QTY. And now we need to display a total. So for total we are going to take price multiplied by QTY. So here price multiplied by QTY. So now we are going to check how it looks. It looks like this: packing size, price, quantity, total. But now we need to display a grand total. So there I am going to display that. So for that is an aligned right, and here I am going to give font weight bold, and I am going to take here one variable $total is equal to 0, and now here $total is equal to $total plus, we need to use this. So I am going to just copy and paste here, and now here yeah. So now you can see it looks like this. Now if you want to write here INR or any other sign, then you can use everything whatever you like. So now you can see when I click here view bills, this is the bill total 40. I am going here, only one item is there, so you can see here one item. Here you can see all the details, 90, then you can see 50 plus 40, 90. So this way we can generate details bills. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like it and share it. Thank you so much again.